Last but not the least, thank you to this event's place, Stala. Upon planning this great night, hindi po talaga ako nag-expect na ang dami ng darating because the first plan of debut was yesterday po sana. And of course, to Sir JD po, thank you din po. I may be nonchalant sa GC for not asking a lot of questions po, pero thank you so much kasi it all went smoothly po because of you. Again, thank you po ulit. I would also like to thank my hotel coordinator, to Miss Pikachu Ganda, and to Miss Jennifer po, and to my makeup and hairstylist as well. The best po kayong lahat, pampawala po kayo ng kaba. This evening wouldn't be possible without the guidance from above. And with that, I am blessed by God because He surrounds me with the people I value the most. I hope you guys had fun tonight and maraming salamat po for coming. Thank you.